Morning, here we are. I forgot to do the video. I was sitting there and I was thinking, well, what have how come I'm so far ahead in all my prep here? There's the moon. How come I'm so far ahead in all my prep here? And I realized I hadn't done the video yet. So here we are, out behind the station, just looking at all the snow that's all around. And you see a bit of my breath. Well, there's somebody going by on the Mackenzie Avenue. So from the MyCaravanNow.com newsroom, Coralie Oakes looking back in 2018. Seems to be a theme here from the newsroom. We've got some people looking back in 2017, looking ahead to 2018. So get that coming your way this morning. Hang on, let me just zip this up here a little bit. Stay warm out here. Yeah, I hope that it didn't lock the door. So what else do we have? Well, we got stories about if your pets get into your medical marijuana, what can we do about it? Also, we're going to check in to see what was going on. There was another story in there. Oh, yeah, neat app out of Prince George talking about local businesses. So maybe that'll apply in the Caribou. You never know. Looking at the weather, it's going to be not too bad. Kind of sunny, kind of milder, kind of seasonal, more what we normally would have at this time of year. Somebody coming that way? And that's what we're going to be in for. So it's going to be good. It's not going to be in the minus 20s for the next little while here. Looking at sports, some players selected from the Caribou that are playing on KIJHL teams to be part of the showcase that's coming up next weekend in Kelowna. And the Williams Lake Bantams are in Kamloops for the Kibet tournament. And then we've got to look at the gas prices coming up this morning. 7:10, we're going to see what the gas prices are. Have they gone up? Have they gone down? Have they held steady? What's the deal with the gas prices? So that's what's going to happen. And I'm going to head back up into the tower there. I got two lights on today. Oh, I'm running up the bill. So we got that going on today. There's the big old moon that's not quite full anymore. It's pretty darn close, making things nice and bright. Anyway, I'm going to head back. Heard a sound over there. I better head back in. See you later. Bye.